Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new and viewing for the first time, welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. We would love it if you would hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you will be notified every time we post a new video. Today we are bringing you a boys baby shower, the first one we have made here on this channel. If you want to see more baby showers created with boy themes, just comment down below and let us know. For our first DIY, we are making a block and we are putting letters on the block. All materials that we use here today for our DIYs will be listed in the description bar below this video. For time's sake, off camera, we spray painted all of our items satin white by Krylon. After we spray painted the items, we let it set for about 30 minutes. Then we painted it with a premium flat white paint, and we picked that up from Home Depot. Now, the spray paint is optional. You don't have to use that. We just noticed that spray painting and then painting just gives it more of that polished look. You realize that the painting is a little lengthy, so what you can do is for the parts that are lengthy, we don't like to cut those out because there is people that are wanting to make it, so they like to see it from point A to point B. So if you like, you can fast forward these parts. There won't be too much talking because the video is self-explanatory. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them in a comment bar below. So we thought this would be a good idea to show you the table 1, table 2. We looked for the wooden numbers, but we could not find them large enough. So we ended up using a candle. And so this is a wax candle, the numbers. We painted it. We would have liked to use wood, but we couldn't find them. So we just went on with the wax candles. Since we showed you the numbers, we also wanted to show you the letters as well. So you can also do a table setting with letters. So here's the block. We absolutely love the block. It just reminds us of baby. So we always love to put blocks in the baby shower, and that's a really good idea. The animals in a baby shower always reminds me of Noah's Ark. We love to put animals into a baby shower. It's just really baby, and it has a nice feel. We thought the flower pot was adorable. It just added some elegance to the baby shower. And you can also put a bow tie, but we decided to put a bow. It still looks like a boy's baby shower. Even though it's a boy's baby shower, you can still add a rose ball. So we added a rose ball to the baby shower, and we just thought that that gave it a little more elegance. Now this is the final piece that locks the baby shower in. It is the centerpiece, and it is a rabbit, and it looks adorable, and we just think it's a great idea to use for a baby boy theme. So this does complete our tutorial for today, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so at this time so you can receive all notifications every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you, and we will see you on our next video. Bye.